Now let us consider this expression. Now this can also be rewritten as 500 raised to the power of 2 minus 1 raised to the power of 2 all over 499. Take note that 1 raised to the power of 2 is the same, the same thing as what? 1. Now let us recall according to a formula in algebra that says a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2 equals what? A plus b, then into a minus what? B, which implies, let us represent this as a and let us represent this as what? B. Now this is the difference of two squares. Now if I were to apply this now using this, we can now say this is 500 now plus 1 now into 500 minus 1 all over 499. Now this will give us 501 times 499 over 499. We can now eliminate this and we are left with what? 501 as the final answer. Thank you and God bless you.